Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about how to draw a hyperbola by orthogonal asymptotes method. So the question given here, a point P of the hyperbola is situated at a distance 35 mm and 50 mm from the pair of asymptotes. The asymptotes are perpendicular to each other. Draw a hyperbola by using orthogonal asymptotes method. So we need to first draw an y-axis and x-axis, and we need to find out the point which is situated 35 mm from the distance from this y-axis, from the x-axis y distance, and 50 mm from the y-axis from this. So that P point need to be first identified. Then we need to identify the points of P1 to P4 and P1 to P5 to P8, and we need to join all these points. So let's go for the AutoCAD. So this is the drawing sheet already I have created here. So I will go for the base MB setup, paper space no, and entry metric type M, scale factor 1, and width 420 by 297. So here I have created, okay, this color I need to change it actually. So I'll go for by layer and this one. Now select the line, go for this line command and select y-axis, arbitrary distance, and x-axis. Okay, now we need to select the line command again, and we need to draw the, you need to identify the P point. So I'll go for from O point to here 50, and here I'll go for 35, and again I'll come back 50, enter. So this is the P point what I got here. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy this one, and from this I'll just keep it here. Okay, and similarly again copy, select this, select this one, enter. Yeah, both are parallel to each other, and these two are parallel to each other. Okay, so now this is the P point. So here in this I need to give some points here actually, arbitrary distance of point I need to mark it here. So here on this line I need to mark the point, so I can mark anywhere, and there is no certain distances for that, but how the points we are mentioning, the size or the length of that each point should be in increasing order, means that is very good. So you can mention like this. 4 points are there, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, next we'll go for similarly this way also. Here 1 point, 2 3, and here also 4. Okay, now these are the things we need to mark it actually. So before that we'll join this, all these points from this starting point to here, and just join all these points. Finally we'll go for the text. So let's start from the point so that it will be good, you can complete fast, and this is the way of joining all. Okay, now we need to draw the vertical line and horizontal line from each of the point. So actually I'll start from here. This is the line, so I need to join this line actually. So I can, yeah, here is the joining point, directly I can get it here. So I'll directly draw like this. Okay, similarly here I need to draw a line, and the line need to be joined here, this one, this line, this point, intersection point. So if I go like this I can get the point here. Yeah, directly I can join. If it is not visible in your system, if you go for individually draw this horizontal line, then vertical line, then meet it, and then after that trim it. If you are able to find out, you can go for like this. So I need to join this point. So yeah, this is the meeting point. I can click it here, I can come back here. Okay, similar way this one also I need to join this. So this is the joining point, and this is the things. Similarly here also, let me show you properly here again. Now see, this point I need to join, so I can get an intersection point and I can join it here. Similarly from here also you can start. Okay, so this one I need to join here, so I can get a intersection point here and I can join it here. Similar way this also, and this point I need to join here. Yeah, this is the thing. Finally this is the point I need to join, mark it here. Yeah, you can get it. just to join it here. Okay, so all the joining point completed. Now we can give the point here 1, just to enter. If you type enter, press it, then it will automatically the last command will be repeated, and we can easily give the repeat the point. And here one more point is there. Yeah, this is how we completed. Now the next target is we need to mark the all these points text. We supposed to mark it here. So single line text, check it once. What are the names they given? Okay, we'll go for here. So this is 1 and 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Similarly, this is 5, 6, 7, and this is 8. Okay. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1 dash, 2 dash. Okay. And this is here 1 dash, and this is 2 dash, and this is 3 dash, and finally 4 dash, and this is actually 5, and this is 6, and here 7, and here 8 point, and OCE, this is our O point and C point, and another EPD. Okay, this is P point, E, and here it is A point, and here it will be there, B point will be there in the top. Okay, and P1 joining points. Yeah, these are the joining points are there, P1, and here it is P2, similarly P3, and here it is P4, and similarly here we need to mark it P5, and this is P6, and here it is P7, and here it is P8 point. And yeah, mostly we have completed. So these things we need to change it actually. This is our 5 dash, and similarly this one you can give 6 dash. Just to change it, we'll change this, all this, and this is our 8 dash. So now the time, I think mostly we have completed everything. Now dimension also you can mark it, the linear dimension from this O point to E point 50, again this O point to C point 35. Yeah, this is a dimension given. Now you can draw our spline fit by changing the color. We'll change some color, we'll change the thickness of this, and let's select the spline fit. You can start from here, P4 point. Okay, P4, P3, P2, then P1, P5 again, P6, okay, and P7 and P8, just to select like this. Okay, so this is our required hyperbola by the orthogonal asymptotes method. Okay, so these are the points what I have selected as per this dimension, all the things we have taken, and the value we can see here it is 50 mm and here is 35 mm, and the required hyperbola is like this. So other points, if anything missing here, we can mark it like the name of this point. Okay, E, F, this one you can give, C, D, this one you can give it here. So that will be our total single line you can give here. This is our, okay, this is somehow came different big size. We'll go for single line text, select the point, resize, angle 0, and this is our D point, and this is our E, F point. Okay, so mostly we have completed everything. So this is the required hyperbola by the rectangular orthogonal asymptote method. If anyone having doubt on this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.